Hello guys, today I'm going to teach you all how to jailbreak your iPhone if you are still running iOS 12.4. First of all, you must go to this website. They call Cydia Uncover Jailbreak. After that, you click the direct download link, and some of the link won't work, so you must find this link that actually work. Like you direct download it work, because some trick box is already have been revoked by the user, so I can't download that on my trick box for some reason. So you must use that direct download from online to get the trick installed on your iPhone. So after downloading that, after finish download this one, you must go to your setting, go to general, scroll down to profile and device management, click this and click trust aspen china.ltd. Click trust on this. After that, open back the Uncover application and click jailbreak, and just wait for a while to finish this thing run. Just let this thing run like for an hour. It will take quite long time if first time jailbreaking your iPhone. So just let it run for a while. It's currently doing something on the phone. Just give this app a moment. Maybe it will take more than 20 minutes if you are first time jailbreak. So just let it run. When after it done, the Cydia will be installed on your home screen, so you can install any trick you want. And now it's finally jailbreak completed. After this, it will ask me to restart in 65 seconds. You must just click OK, and then it will restart. Guys, hello back. Now after I have jailbreak my iPhone, as you can see here, it's already been jailbreak. It's already jailbreak. So I've installed Cydia successfully. So now I already have Cydia on my iPhone, and now I've successfully jailbreak this iPhone. Okay, I think that's all guys for me. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.